Number 5. This video shows off the amazing capabilities of the BlueLed joystick-controlled smart suitcase. This smart suitcase is the perfect way to make travel easier, more efficient, and more stylish. It comes with a built-in joystick that allows you to easily control the direction and speed of the suitcase as you move through airports, train stations, and other crowded areas. It also has a built-in security system, so you can rest assured that your belongings are safe and secure. The suitcase is made from durable, lightweight materials, and it comes with a sleek, modern design. The suitcase is also equipped with a wide range of features that make it perfect for any traveler. It has an automatic locking feature, so you don't have to worry about losing your bag. It also has a built-in charging port, so you can charge your devices on the go. Other features include an LED light that indicates whether the suitcase is locked or not, a built-in scale that allows you to weigh your suitcase before you check it in, and an integrated GPS system that allows you to track your suitcase in real time. The BlueLed joystick-controlled smart suitcase is the perfect way to make your travel experience. Number 4. Have you ever wished that you could find a suitcase that had all the features of a full-size suitcase, but was more lightweight and had more organization options? Look no further than the Genius Pack G422 carry-on spinner luggage. This innovative suitcase has been designed to make packing, carrying, and navigating airports a breeze. The Genius Pack G422 is crafted with lightweight, yet durable materials, and features a sturdy telescoping handle, allowing you to easily wheel it behind you. It also features 4 360-degree wheels, making it easy to maneuver and allowing you to move quickly through the airport. On the outside of the suitcase, you'll find 2 compartments, one for quick access items and one for larger items. Each of these is designed with a compression pad to ensure that your items stay secure during transit. In addition, the outside of the suitcase is designed with a pocket for passport, phone, or other items that need to be accessed quickly. On the inside, you'll find a large main compartment, as well as 2 additional zipper pockets for organizing items. The main compartment also features customizable dividers so that you can create a space for your clothing, shoes. Number 3. Introducing the revolutionary Kabuto Nomad, the world's smartest expandable 2-wheel carry-on luggage. The Kabuto Nomad is designed to revolutionize the way you travel. With its expandable design, the Nomad expands up to 50% of its original size to give you maximum space and portability. It features a durable, lightweight design that won't weigh you down and will fit in the overhead compartment of any airplane. The Kabuto Nomad is packed with features to make your travels easier. It has an integrated USB port to connect your devices, a built-in digital scale to measure the weight of your luggage, and a CA-approved lock to keep your belongings safe. The Kabuto Nomad also has a smart handle that fits your hand like a glove, making it easier to control when you're on the move. The Kabuto Nomad is perfect for business trips, weekend getaways, and more. Number 2. Welcome to Hayes America Takno 21 carry-on spinner luggage. This is the perfect piece of luggage for frequent travelers looking for the perfect combination of ease, convenience, and style. The Takno 21 is made from a durable, lightweight aluminum alloy frame and features a stylish black matte finish that is sure to turn heads. It also features a special CA-approved lock that allows you to keep your items secure without having to worry about them being confiscated. The Takno 21 also has plenty of room for all of your travel needs, including a large main compartment, 2 front pockets, 2 side pockets, and a top pocket for small items. It also has an expandable design that gives you an extra 2 inches of space for packing more items. The Takno 21 is designed to make traveling easier with its 4 spinner wheels that make maneuvering it through airports, train stations, and other crowded spaces a breeze. It also has a retractable handle that makes it easy to pull the Takno 21 behind you. This is the perfect piece of luggage for those who want to look stylish while traveling. With its sleek matte finish and its lightweight construction, the Takno 21 is sure to. Number 1. Welcome to the future of sustainable power. The SUNNYBAG Explorer Plus Solar Backpack Charger is the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures. This revolutionary solar backpack charger is designed to keep you out in the wild for longer. It's equipped with a powerful 7.5-watt solar panel that charges your devices on the go. No need to worry about searching for power outlets or carrying heavy batteries. Just strap on the backpack and let the sun do the work for you. The SUNNYBAG Explorer Plus is made with durable, waterproof material and comes with adjustable straps for a comfortable fit. Inside, you'll find a pocket for your phone and tablet, plus 2 USB charging ports so you can charge up to 2 devices simultaneously. The Explorer Plus is also equipped with a smart power management system that ensures your devices are optimally charged, while also helping to protect them from overcharging. Take your adventures to the next level with the SUNNYBAG Explorer Plus Solar Backpack Charger, the perfect way to stay connected and powered up in the great outdoors.